There has been a lot of work happening behind the scenes since the last release, and now it's time to show you what we've added to My Learning. As part of our ongoing work to make My Learning even more valuable as a reference, an on-demand help, and an open door to self-paced certification, we've added new classes as well as a ton of new audio to existing classes. Every class that has audio also has an interactive transcript to make it quick and easy to jump to the part of a video that you are most interested in. And there's even more classes and more audio on the way, so stay tuned. If you have some time and some feedback you'd like to share with us about SSI Nexus or SSI My Learning, or both, we'd appreciate you emailing us at ssitraining@ssi-corporate.com. Here are a few benefits of My Learning. And remember, this doesn't even touch on all the amazing benefits that Nexus brings to the table. Both are benefits of being an SSI subscriber. My Learning can help your users get the most from their existing licensed products by showing them things they did not know. By searching My Learning, your clients may come across appealing functionality in products that they do not currently license, opening the doorway a bit wider for you. My Learning makes a very convenient source for on-demand help during your clients' busy workdays. My Learning is also a one-stop shop for everything employees need to pursue certification on their schedule and at their pace. And certification comes with its own benefits. It's an easy way to demonstrate competency, and it can help ensure that clients stay up to date with new features and functionality. So that's what we've added to My Learning. Thanks very much.